Hey guys, finally Sleeps here. A weird issue popped up on the Honda, and I figure I would show this to everybody in case this is something weird, and I think it may end up helping a couple of people out there. All right, so this is my daily. It's just an old Civic, and we were doing an oil change, and I happened to look down here and recognize that right down there, if you can see it, there is an open hole into my transmission. And I'm thinking, why in the hell can I see right down inside the transmission? There is supposed to be a plug there. And I started researching it and figures out that if the pressure builds up in the plug because of a vent clogged, that plug will pop right out. Now this is what the plug looks like. This is a new one. It's just this little plug that snaps in. It's just a rubber plug. And if you need to order one of these, they're dirt cheap, and it's just, you just pull it out by the little tab that goes on there. But if it's popping out, there is a vent right, if I can get down to it, right there is a vent. And this little thing pulls off, and then you can clean it on the end. Dirt and debris and stuff will get into it. And it's right down in the front, right below the radiator line. That vent is, that little rubber stopper is what gets clogged and creates back pressure so that your automatic transmission filler valve will pop out. This is what this little plug and this vent looks like. It just snaps in over it, and there's a little hole inside of it. And you can see I went ahead and cleaned it out. You can see right through the hole that comes out. But that was all clogged, and just used a little oil and something and then blew it out and made sure it's all nice and clean, and it just shoves back down on top of that vent. And there it is, seated and stuck back where it's supposed to go. That's it. It's really not a big fix, and it only took about 5 minutes to do it. But if you're ever looking under the hood and you can see shiny, clean interior of your automatic transmission, that's probably what it is. It's just like a $6 part. All right, I hope that helps. Again, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share here at YouTube. And then check out all the links and other videos, and I'll see you guys the next time.